fear. I fear that we have started this too late. I fear that your minds have been poisoned for far too long by the foundation. But after speaking it over with our Savior, Brother Omen, there's no time better than now. You, what do you fear? I don't give a damn what you fear. Felix on SportsWire, he wasn't afraid. But I know who is. Soldier DP fears. Soldier DP fears the boogeyman of the Midwest. And Soldier DP fears the House of Wolves are going to leave Felix for dead in this ring tonight. Justifiable fear. Because once you step into this ring, house rules. I'll wait. I know you're not talking. I'll snap you again like last time you were here. Typical Hale, Iowa. Full of con scum. You white trash pieces of shit. And I'm talking to that babe right there. I'm here to save you. And you ungrateful pieces of trash! You know, a lot of you wrestling marks in Iowa know this name. Damian Saint couldn't handle me. I made him run away the first time. But you know what? Damian Saint was right, guys. He said, I'm the absolute best in the IMF. And you all can agree with me. And just like Damian Saint, looky here. Felix Jones ain't here tonight. You guys don't have a main event. But do you deserve it? You think you deserve it? Don't be tired if you think you deserve it. So when I come out at the main event, the ref's gonna count to 10, make me champion yet again. Because no one here has the fucking nerve to step in the ring with me. Hey, security! There's an idiotic child at ringside! Get that piece of crap out of here! Before I go, I know it's gonna break your hearts. Anthony! On SportsWire, you said a certain thing. There's no leader of the House of Wolves. That's all right. Hey, Ox, who created the House of Wolves? You did, Owen. Jason, who protects the House of Wolves? You do, Owen. Who guides the House of Wolves? Who leads the House of Wolves? You brought a tear to my eye, Anthony. As I give forgiveness, I open my arms to you. All is forgiven, Anthony. Bottom of the bridge. Anthony, good luck in your match. Play my music.